Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is StanStore versus Plug and Pay. So guys, if you are deciding between StanStore and Plug and Pay for your online business, this video is for you. So guys, let's break down which platform will give you the most value for your money. So what is StanStore? So StanStore is a straightforward platform for selling digital products and membership, and it focuses on simplicity and affordability. And now, what is Plug and Pay? So Plug and Pay is a versatile platform designed for various online sales, including digital products with a focus on advanced payment solutions. So now let's discuss the three pros of StanStore. So first one is affordable. So it has a lower cost and it is perfect for those selling digital products or membership. And next one will be ease of use. So it has a simple setup and user-friendly interface tailored for digital sales. And next up is a built-in tools. So it includes features for managing digital products and memberships without extra cost. And now let's discuss the three cons of StanStore. So for the first one is it has limited features. So guys, it has a fewer tools for physical product sales or complex e-commerce needs. And next up is scalability. So it is not ideal for growing businesses or larger product catalogs. And lastly is newer platform. So it has a less established with a fewer integrations compared to competitors. And now let's discuss the three pros of Plug and Pay. So first one is versatile payment solutions. So guys, it offers a range of payment options and integrations. And next up is advanced features. So it supports various sales models with features like affiliate management and recurring payments. And lastly, customizable. So guys, it is highly flexible, allowing for tailored solutions based on your business needs. And now let's discuss the three cons of Plug and Pay. So first one is higher cost. So guys, it is more expensive compared to StanStore with various pricing tiers based on features. And next one is complexity. So it can be overwhelming for users who need a simple setup. And lastly is a learning curve. So guys, you may require more time to understand and fully utilize its advanced features. So now the question is, which is better? So guys, choose StanStore if you are looking for an affordable, easy to use platform for digital products. And go for Plug and Pay if you need a versatile, feature-rich solution with advanced payment options and don't mind a steeper learning curve. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya!